Hi, third graders, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 26. Just giving you a heads up, this lesson is very tricky, so it's very important that you watch the video. I've linked the video on slide 3. When you click that link, you only need to watch, it's just a 12-minute video, but it really will explain how to do the math. I'm here not to explain how to do the math, but to explain how to solve the problems on this problem set. So again, if you don't want to do it on the computer, you can click the link on slide 2, and this will take you to the problem set. And you can write it on a piece of paper or print it off and answer the questions there. So let's get into how we're going to answer those questions. So for slides 5 and 6 are the same. It's very important that you pay attention to the whole numbers. So we have 0, and it's partitioned into halves. 0, 1 half, and we've got our whole number 1. Half, and then 2. So 0, 1 half, 1, 1 and a half, and 2. So you are going to, down here, tell me how many halves are going to be there. So this would be 0 halves, which would be 0 over 2. Now over here, it doesn't go in the pattern 1 equals 1 half. That doesn't make sense when we stop to think about it. Would you like 1 whole cookie or 1 half of a cookie? Those are not the same. So we wouldn't say that 1 equals 1 half. This is 1 half right here. So if this is 0 over 2, 1 over 2, then this would be 2 over 2. So this is 2 halves. So 2 and then 2 over 2. And here's 3 halves. And then over here would be 4 halves or 4 over 2. Okay, you're going to do that here. Then you're going to do the same thing on number 6, but instead of halves, you're going to be working with thirds. Now notice, we're not starting our number line at 0 this time. We start our number line at the whole number 2. So you have to think, what is going to equal 2? How many thirds? If you need to extend this number line on a piece of paper and start at 0, you can do that. Or you can do kind of the multiplication way, where you're thinking thirds. If you think of thirds as 3, 3 times this whole number 2 is 6. And the answer is 6 here. Okay, on number 7, you are going to be filling in these blanks. So all of these fractions equal 2. Remember, fractions is just division. So think about dividing. 4 divided by 2 is 2. What number divided by 3 equals 2? That's the same as thinking of 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 thirds is the same as 2. What number divided by 4 equals 2? That's the same as thinking of 2 times 4 equals 8. So 8 would go here. So you're going to fill that in. Here, these all equal 2. These middle fractions are all going to equal 3. And these last fractions are all going to equal 4. Slides 8 and 9 are word problems to go along with the fractions. You will need to draw the number lines on a piece of paper and then just type your answer here. So you're going to figure out how many days the wire would last if he's using 1/4 of a meter or 1/4 of a meter every day. And then how many days would 3 meters last? So again, bringing that multiplication or skip counting in here is definitely going to help. Watch that video. Same thing with number 4, with Cindy feeding her dog. Her dog gets 1/3 of a pound of food each day. So how many days? Here you just need to draw it, and then you're going to answer down here the questions, B and C. So again, please watch that video. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.